I got a call for a refrigerator. The freezer side was working fine, but the refrigerator side was too warm. So get on site and remove the drawer covers, unplug the drawer cover light. Get my handy dandy little screw magnet out. Remove some screws from the evaporator cover. There's 5 screws here. I believe it's a 1/4 inch nut driver. Remove the connector cover from the rear wall. Remove the fan connector from the rear wall. To realize I had to remove both of the drawer rails to remove the evaporator cover. Finally got the evaporator cover off, and if you noticed on the evaporator coils there's frost along the top. That's indicative of a faulty fan, a fan motor that's not working. So we will remove this old fan and get the new one. We will reuse the rubber grommet that holds the evaporator fan to the evaporator cover. It's got little rubber tabs, you kind of have to pull pretty hard on those. You'll get the new fan installed. Get the evaporator cover put back into place with the new fan. Get the evaporator cover screws reinstalled. Connect the new evaporator fan to the rear wall. Reinstall the drawer rails on both sides. Reinstall the connector cover on the rear wall. Reinstall the drawer covers. Plug in the drawer cover light. Couple screws. Then we'll be done with this project and on to the next one.